Hello, how are you? I hope you are okay. Today I'm gonna tell you a little bit of the data analysis in my project. That it's about listening activities, but because it's focused on phonetics, pitching, but like in a more dynamic way. So here I will socialize some of the different questions, the ones that I consider the most interesting. So at first, we have included the calculation of some of the different frequencies and percentages and means, responses, etc. about the impact of developing my project. So I'm going to start with the first question that appears here. That is, what is your self-rated analysis? So it means what's your level, no, in simple words. So most of the participants, they said that they are in B1, between B1 or B2 level, like more B1 than B2. But most of them, they understand the English, they can speak faster, they have some English skills. So it means that we can apply it in many different grades or levels. Okay, so then we have you ever practiced in listening and pronunciation activities? So here it is evident that the majority of people or participants, they said that at least once in their life, in their daily lives, they have done the different listening and pronunciation activities. Is because they are, most of them were students from the career, so they used to have different of those elements. So it means that at least no, so sorry, just one of the participants, or the 10% from the participants, they said that they didn't have kind of activities like this. Well, we have the other one, that is the visual supports like subtitles, phonetic charts, mouth tongue diagrams help me learn effectively. So in the scale, like Likert, from 1 to 5, where 1 is the worst and 5 is the best, most of the participants select number 5. It means that for them, when they participate in games and writing reflections, it's also useful, and it shows that the collaborative activities will motivate them as better as using other different activities. So it is useful for most of them. Okay, then we have the accommodations, like, for example, subtitles, avatars, visual feedback, mobile access support my learning needs. So, well, here we have like, in a scale from 1 to 5, we have 4.82, like the average. It means that students, most of them, consider visual aids like subtitles, phonetic charts, or diagrams as an effective improving their learning. No, so it means that most of them demonstrate the importance of the visual and during the classes and lessons, etc. So then we have the visual supports. No, we just discussed before. So sorry. Then, like, to finish, we have another question. That's about the positive, uh, the technology. No, it's talking about a little bit of the technology, like videos, animated phonetic transcriptions. It is also useful, no, and also they are like engaging for a better learning. Yeah. And to conclude, I have that they prefer interactive strategies, so they will enjoy and more than normal activities. Also, as a peer feedbacks is a good example of assessment in that kind of classes on my project. And finally, they particularly value the visual and technological aids which enhance comprehension and facilitate independent learning. That is going to help most of them just because they feel like more comfortable and more secure, and their learning is like not like boring. So it's like the opposite, no, like more enjoyable. And that's it. So it was all for today. Thank you.